Violent asteroid collisions transformed Hadean Earth into a molten planet where stable oceans could not yet exist. Dense metallic elements descended through molten rock, creating Earth's superheated core beneath violently circulating mantle layers.
Colossal volcanic eruptions filled Hadean skies with steam, sulfur gases, ash clouds, and carbon-rich atmospheric haze.
Cooling atmospheric temperatures triggered relentless planetary storms, unleashing torrential rainfall across Earth's volcanic basalt landscapes.
Gigantic volcanic depressions gradually accumulated rainwater, forming Earth's earliest dark, mineral-rich primitive ocean basins.
Primitive Archean oceans contain dissolved iron minerals, creating dark green waters beneath volcanically unstable planetary skies.
Superheated hydrothermal vents released minerals and energy into Archean oceans, creating chemically reactive underwater environments. Mineral-rich Archean seawater enabled complex chemical reactions, transforming primitive oceans into dynamic planetary reaction chambers. Hydrothermal energy gradients generated chemically unstable environments capable of continuously driving complex oceanic reaction systems.
Complex organic molecules emerged within reactive Archean oceans, where minerals, heat, and chemistry continuously interacted together.
Reactive ocean chemistry gradually assembled microscopic proto-cell structures capable of separating internal chemistry from surrounding seawater.
Primitive microbial colonies expanded through shallow Archean oceans, transforming seawater chemistry beneath volcanically active planetary environments.
Layered stromatolite colonies released trace oxygen into Archean oceans, gradually transforming Earth's primitive marine chemistry permanently.
Rising oxygen levels transformed Earth's oceans and atmosphere, triggering irreversible chemical changes across the evolving planet.
Dissolved iron reacted with rising oxygen levels, creating massive banded iron formations across ancient ocean basins.
Global glaciation covered oceans with immense ice sheets, transforming Earth into a frozen hydrosphere-dominated planetary world.
Intense volcanic greenhouse emissions gradually melted global ice sheets, reactivating Earth's oceans and planetary hydrological circulation.
Cambrian oceans rapidly diversified with complex marine ecosystems, transforming Earth's hydrosphere into biologically dynamic environments.
Powerful deep ocean circulation systems redistributed heat and nutrients, stabilizing marine climates across expanding Paleozoic oceans.
Expanding river systems transported sediments across continents, reshaping coastlines and strengthening Earth's interconnected hydrological networks.
Immense swamp ecosystems trapped water and carbon, transforming atmospheric chemistry and stabilizing Earth's expanding terrestrial hydrosphere. Pangaea reorganized planetary water circulation, concentrating massive deserts inland while vast oceans controlled coastal climates worldwide. Expanding Tethys seaways connected ancient oceans, intensifying marine circulation and redistributing global climatic heat across continents.
Extremely high sea levels flooded continental interiors, creating shallow epicontinental seas across much of Earth's surface.
Cooling oceans reorganized global circulation patterns, strengthening polar currents and transforming Earth's long-term climate stability systems.
Antarctica became isolated by powerful circumpolar currents, accelerating polar cooling and reorganizing Earth's global ocean circulation. Massive continental ice sheets trapped freshwater, lowering sea levels and reshaping coastlines across Earth's glacial world. Massive continental ice sheets trapped freshwater, lowering sea levels and reshaping coastlines across Earth's glacial world. Earth's modern hydrosphere circulates continuously through oceans, atmosphere, rivers, glaciers, groundwater, and living ecosystems together.
Human civilization emerged beside rivers and coastlines, becoming entirely dependent upon Earth's continuously circulating hydrosphere systems.
Modern oceans regulate planetary climate by storing heat, transporting carbon, and redistributing atmospheric energy continuously worldwide.
Earth's hydrosphere continues evolving today, responding dynamically to climate change, ice loss, and atmospheric transformation worldwide.
Gigantic atmospheric rivers transport invisible airborne moisture, redistributing freshwater across continents through powerful planetary storm systems.
Seasonal monsoon systems redistribute oceanic moisture, sustaining forests, rivers, agriculture, and billions of human lives annually.
Vast underground aquifers store hidden freshwater reserves, silently sustaining ecosystems, agriculture, rivers, and modern civilization beneath continents.
Rainforests recycle atmospheric moisture continuously, generating rainfall systems that stabilize regional climate and continental freshwater circulation.
Deep thermohaline currents redistribute planetary heat, connecting polar oceans with tropical waters through immense underwater circulation.
Pacific Ocean oscillations disrupt global rainfall patterns, triggering floods, droughts, storms, and planetary climate instability worldwide.
Accelerating polar ice loss releases fresh water into oceans, raising sea levels and destabilizing coastal hydrological systems globally. Modern oceans absorb atmospheric carbon dioxide continuously, altering seawater chemistry and threatening delicate marine biological systems worldwide.
Expanding ocean dead zones lose dissolved oxygen, disrupting marine ecosystems and transforming biological balance across coastal waters.
Ocean currents accumulate massive plastic debris fields, transforming remote marine ecosystems into polluted artificial hydrosphere zones worldwide.
Rapid urban expansion and climate instability strain freshwater systems, threatening billions dependent upon fragile hydrological infrastructure worldwide.
Human civilization emerged beside water systems, depending entirely upon rivers, rainfall, oceans, and stable planetary hydrology.
Earth's hydrosphere connects oceans, atmosphere, ice, rivers, life, and civilization into one continuously evolving planetary system.
From space, Earth appears alive because liquid water endlessly circulates across its oceans, atmosphere, continents, and biosphere. Every ocean current, glacier, rainfall, and river preserves the evolving memory of Earth across billions of years.
Civilizations may rise and disappear, yet Earth's water cycle will continue reshaping the planet far beyond humanity.
Across cosmic darkness, Earth continues orbiting silently, carrying oceans, storms, life, and humanity through endless planetary evolution.
In the vast cosmic darkness, Earth remains extraordinarily rare, a living planet covered with flowing liquid water.
Every river eventually returns to the ocean, completing Earth's endless cycle of planetary transformation and renewal forever.
From Earth's birth to humanity's future, every chapter of our story has flowed through water. Earth still holds countless untold stories. Subscribe to RP Tiwari Neo and continue exploring science beyond limits.